Run! Run! Oh, shoot!
Get in!
You be my fishing buddy today?
Yeah,
It's gonna be hot.
I know.
You gonna have fun?
Yeah.
All right. As predicted, weather's not my favorite and it's gonna rain, so we're not taking the boat out. Sit back.
I like the air.
Yeah. So we're just gonna fish from the shore until it lets loose. All right, we're here. Whoa. You wanna go swimming in that?
No,
Why not?
because it's gross. Yeah. Do you?
Not really. It's so much lower than the last time I was here. I wouldn't step too far. It's literal mud.
It's super low. Like the water line's supposed to be here. Crab.
Blue crab?
I see you.
What kind? Is it a fiddler?
The red one? It went in that little hole.
What
All these
little-
holes are probably crab holes. Well, it went in that hole. Stick your finger in it.
No.
They're everywhere.
Yeah. I saw one just dig into its hole.
Uh-oh. Are you already starting?
Is it raining already?
Yeah.
It is. Are you serious? Guess we're gonna go check out the campground store and see if they have firewood and if the weather cooperates. You wanna make a fire?
Yeah.
Cut through here, right here. Right here.
You wanna get firewood?
No,
Why not?
because I want to fish.
Well, we still can get firewood and we can
No,
still
we
probably go fish now too.
Looks like my
Daddy, sit right here and I'll sit on you.
Oh, goodbye, Aubrey. In the treetop.
Eh.
Oh, look.
What?
Look at the boat.
That's our boat.
Yeah, it looks just like, that might be 16.
Let's go on the
What do you want to do? Boat? I know, I want to go on the boat too, but we have to wait for the storm to pass. I got an idea.
I want to go on the boat.
I know, so
That's
do
what
I.
I want to do.
There's a storm in there now.
Yeah, look,
See it?
look right here. You see how the clouds are dark and then white?
Yeah.
The dark ones are full of rain and probably thunder and probably lightning
Oh.
and probably swarms of locusts.
Think so?
You know what a locust is?
No.
It's like a flying grasshopper.
The cicadas around. You hear 'em?
Daddy.
What?
That's tight.
What?
Can we just fish right there?
No, we're not gonna fish there.
Why
but
not?
we can go fish where we just were if it's not gonna rain too bad. So let's get some firewood for later.
Oh.
Tomoka outpost. Carry it.
I can't.
Why not? Okay, I'll trade you. How about you carry this?
Look at the gopher. He's a tortoise because he lives on land. He doesn't live in the water like a turtle.
Oh.
Yeah, I was gonna get ASMR.
Okay, do it.
Tortoise eating.
Yeah, get him crunching. He said, "Nah, I'm over this. Let me out of here."
I think it's about to storm.
That's our cue.
I think we should go back now.
That's our cue. It's about to really let loose.
Bye, Tomoki.
Oh, I see
This is
it.
awesome.
Like right there.
There's another gopher tortoise. You wanna go look at him?
Yeah.
Or her?
He's being a statue.
He's being a statue?
Yeah.
Oh, he says, if I don't move, you can't see me.
What's his name?
Chief.
Oh, Chief. Squat down so I can see you. He's just chomping away for real, dude. They're hungry. Dang.
Better get this food before the rain comes.
I don't know what this guy's name is. His name's like Chief something. Oh, yeah, it's right here.
I said that was Chief and not Tomoki.
That does make sense. Chief Tomoki.
That did look like a squirrel.
Huh?
That wood did look like a squirrel.
Yeah, from a distance, this
Yeah.
thing right here
Yeah.
looked just like a squirrel.
Yeah. Its tail sticking up in his body right there.
Yeah, and I literally thought it was a squirrel.
Me too.
Oh, there's the rain. We gotta run. Run.
Run.
Mom's gonna try to take the driver's seat from me.
No.
Run.
Run.
Oh, shoot.
Get in!
Oh, we're safe. Made it.
Man, that storm's gonna be crazy. Yeah. That's insane. You never really even see these guys. And that's 3 in like 2 minutes. That's awesome. Since it's pouring rain outside, let's do a tour
Daddy,
of the camper.
Daddy,
Yeah, and it can be really quick. It can be really quick.
Daddy.
This is the bed. Bed.
Daddy.
That's the
Table.
dinette.
I left my tablet in Mom's car.
Oh, you'll live without your tablet.
Head off.
Or will you?
Can we get my tablet?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Okay.
Let's see Aubrey's bed. All right, this is Aubrey's bed.
Messy.
Oh, messy. Cute.
And of course I have my babies.
What's your baby's names?
This is Ray.
Ray.
And what was your name again?
Agua?
Agua.
Yeah. Cute. He's a puppy melon.
It's not a he, it's a she.
Okay. That's Aubrey's bed. You want to see Amy's bed?
It's impossible to get up here.
Huh?
It's impossible to get up here. This is
Impossible.
this is pretty big, so it's hard to get up.
Turn your light on.
Alright. Hi. Cleaner than mine. Barely.
Yep. That's Amy's bed. Amy's window. Oh yeah, they both have windows. Cool. Yep. Bathroom. Shower.
I just got Agua.
You just got Agua, yeah?
Yeah. I just bought it with my...
You bought it with your very own money. In the kitchen area. You want to come introduce the dogs?
Yes.
Come introduce the dogs.
Okay, let me come too. First we have Crybaby. Crybaby always comes to Mommy when he is a little crybaby.
Okay, what's his name?
Yoshi.
That's Yoshi. And what about this one?
This is Bailey. She's a good girl. She's the one that's sleeping with me at night.
Oh, yeah.
She's a good girl. Yeah. Are you a good girl?
And that's the whole family. A whole bunch of girls, and Yoshi's a little girl too.
This is a boy.
He's a little girl.
No, he's a boy.
All right. The rain let up enough to go fishing.
Yay.
Just not in the boat yet. You ready to go fishing?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It finally stopped raining.
Remember, you reel it up till you get to the weight. And then this thing's right here, remember? You put your finger on it, flip the bail,
And then you...
throw it and let go. Grab your line with your finger. Other finger, other finger. Yep. No, stop. Put this in between your fingers. Grab the line. Okay, flip the bail. Get a little bit closer so you don't hit any trees or anything. Pay attention to the trees behind you. Okay, that's fine. Don't go any further than that. And then swing it to the side. Hold on, watch where you're swinging. Careful. Alright, then come back, swing it and let go of the line with your finger. Good. First try. Now flip the bail back and leave it alone.
Wow. Did you throw your shrimp off?
Yeah. No.
No.
Yeah, no.
Yes or no?
No. When I say yeah, no, then I mean no. When I say no, yes, then I mean yes.
You're not going down for that water. Bailey, no. Bailey, come here.
So we're leaving from our fishing trip. We didn't catch anything except Daddy caught a stingray that we threw back.
Yeah. It's also raining a lot again, and it's about to storm really bad, so I guess our little fishing trip is coming to an end.
Yeah, and we're just gonna head back to the camper. So see you when we get there. We just got back from fishing, and Aubrey is
Corn on the cob to grill and little potatoes to do in the microwave.
she's hyper.
Get that ready now or?
Chill out. Go. Sleep mode.
Okay.
I fixed it.
We got fogged up.
What?
Daddy's cooking dinner for everybody.
How's my burger?
Good.
Good?
Good.
How's the, oh, corn.
Good.
It's not burnt, that's just coloring.
Yeah, tastes like popcorn.
Time for bed. Good night.
Good night.
Aubrey!
I don't think you're gonna be able to see this.
Oh. Say goodnight.
Can you see her?
Kind of. Aubrey!
What?
Say goodnight.
Say good night.
Amy?
Amy,
Oh, I see her head.
say good night.
Before, when I was in the camper, then I was just snuggling with Bailey and Daddy. I was just laying by her and just like on her. Yeah, and that weighs like 40 pounds together. There was something in my throat that I did
You did.
with.
You did.
Yeah.